guys, welcome back. So today we'll be doing this Toyota Corolla. Yeah, giving it a proper wash. I've never washed this vehicle before, so I hope when I'm finished with it, the customer can see the difference that we bring to the table, you know. Yeah, we're going to clean up these wheels as well. Give them the G.A.T.E.S touch, you know. Yeah, G.A.T.E.S touch. But first thing first, headlight. We're going to clean the headlight. As you can see, this one is crystal clear, but this one is foggy. The shade is foggy. I don't know why or how or what. I don't know if some replacement was done or what, but what we're going to try to do is to get this one as good as that one, or try to go as close as that, you know. So yeah, just watch me tape it up and get to work. So my phone storage full up, so I had to clear some space, but I didn't realize until I finished use the 1000. So here's what we reach now. This is after. So I use the 600, then I use the 1000. So this is how it looks after the 1000. So now I'm going to use the 2000 and the 2500. Around here you see the light crack, so that's dirt inside of the shade, so we can't do nothing about that. Yeah, so the best we can do is to get this light as clean as possible to look like that one over there. So now that I clear up some space, I'm going to use the 2000 and the 2500, but we're not going to compound the light until the vehicle is washed, so we just get a final thing, you know. Some might agree, some don't, but that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so now I'm going to wash the engine, just soap, brush, and some water. So I'm going to rinse off the air. Already covered the alternator. Positive on the battery is covered, so we're good there. Computer is there, so we don't want to get too much water in that area. So we're just going to lightly rinse it off and then clean it up. Alright, so finish with the engine wash. At the end of the video you're going to see our compilation and everything. But now we're going to clean up the inside. Yeah, not as dirty as one would think due to the appearance of the outside, but fairly dirty. See, we're gonna clean it, Mike. We're gonna clean it. Yeah. Vacuum up the seat them and arrange up. You see me? We're gonna wash the gas tank because it's dirty. See that? Dirty bad. Then now in the trunk. Yeah, we're going to clean up in the trunk as well, bruh. Yeah, bruh. And then we wash the mats. So yeah, I finish vacuuming. Top back to now and then get to the washing. finish wash it. All they saw was me washing the wheel, but time is going on now, so we just wash it off real quick. Because as you can see, this side of the vehicle is sunny, so I want to get the soap off as quick as possible. You know? So yeah, wheel clean up and all. So the next time you see this vehicle is the finished product. See? Stay tuned.